Did you count them?
No, but I know where they all are. Let's see, can you find some Easter eggs? See any Easter eggs?
What's this over here?
Quinn, what's that? I see one. What's on the ground? Quinn.
That's an
Oh! Yay! Put it in your basket, honey.
Put it in your basket.
What's in there, huh?
There you go.
Yay!
Find another one.
Maybe there's another
Let's
one. do you
see if
think?
there's some more.
Look around, they're everywhere.
Oh, do you see one? Oh, you sure do. Good job. Yay!
Go see if you can find more.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta look around. There's probably some more.
Maybe there's some more here. You can never tell.
Let's see. You gotta keep walking around. You gotta look. Gotta look.
Did you see one over there? Yeah. Well,
Oh, look at that one.
Isn't that a pretty one?
Yay!
The color of that one is yellow. That one is yellow, and then you've got a blue one too. That one is orange.
Good job.
The color is that is orange.
Yay! Let's see. Let's look. They're all around. You gotta keep looking around the yard. The Easter Bunny puts them in all different kinds of places. Where else could they be? Are they around here? Do you see any around here? Do you see one? Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
Yay! Oops. Yay! Yay!
What's over by the tree? Oh, what is that? An owl?
What is that?
Bub?
It's not a bug.
Did you find one? There's one.
Oh, what is that color?
Yay, a purple one. Wow. Wow.
What's that?
What's that over there?
What is that thing?
What's
there with
this?
the white?
Looks like the Easter Bunny sent you something neat. What's that thing?
I've never seen anything like that before. Have you?
What's that? Keep looking.
It's over there.
Oh, and that one is red.
Yay.
Oh, you see more?
Oh,
I see. That's a funny spot for it.
bunny. That silly Easter Bunny is. Oh, wow. Yay.
Nice. That one's orange.
Let's go look for more. I think there are more. Let's go see. Let's go see. I think there are more. Yay!
That one is purple. Rabbit.
Yay! Let's look for more. I think I see one over here.
Hey, Quinn.
Is there any over here?
Egg. Egg.
There might have been 10 or 12. I don't recall.
There are more than that.
Oh, okay.
Yay! I saw one over here somewhere. I think I see one. Look over here. Look by the pink flowers. Look over by the pink flowers. Keep looking.
Oh, there's one.
Yay! Yay! Did we get all the ones that the Easter Bunny left? I think there might. Let's take a look around and make sure we got them all.
And did you get the lightning bug that the Easter Bunny left?
Yeah, let's go see that funny guy that's. Hello, lightning bug. Oh, look, it has a little handle. Look. Can I carry it? Oh, look, it's a little lantern for you. Yeah. You can take that camping. You can take that camping.
That's cool, buddy.
Let's take it up on the front porch. I think I saw the Easter Bunny
nice.
had left some other things on the
Isn't that
front porch.
fun, Quinn?
Here, can Mommy carry it for you?
Fun.
Here, let's take it up to the
Put down
front
your
porch.
bedroom.
Let's look over here. I think I saw the Easter Bunny leave a bunch of stuff over here. Yeah. Go up on the porch. Huh. What else do you think he may have left?
Oh, that Easter bunny
Quinn,
really hopped fast.
Quinn, I think he left an egg over here. Do you see an egg? Quinn. Quinn. Look, the lightning bug's finding one. Woo! Yay! Wow, look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness, look.
My goodness.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. There you go.
That Easter bunny.
Oh my goodness, look at
Oh my goodness, I never saw so much stuff. What is
that. What
that?
are those? Candy.
Oh, candy.
Candy.